What's better?
My glasses.
So
Oh,
guys,
yeah.
so guys, I'm here returning back to not one working grocery first time. Here my life is reminds me to be in check on there all of this, but right now I'm in the Zoom. There you go. See how they are doing. These are
I
double
have 3
washes.
daughters, but only one's married,
Looks like
and
two of them.
she made quite have kids, and she's been married for 3 years. So I don't have any grandkids yet. You're lucky.
Thank you.
Really lucky. And
Oh,
we're
I
lucky to
just
have
love
you.
them so much.
Oh, excuse me.
So, yeah, these are in good condition, much better than the other two. So it's raining now, but it's okay. At least a lot. These such a lot, but they're gonna get replaced soon. That's what I found out. What I heard. Okay, here we are. 1 over to 6. I'm not gonna be able to do a tour. Okay, about 6. So yeah, I'll overwash the elevator. So 2 of them are in good condition, but soon gonna be replaced with new ones. And it's just on the side, it's so loud. And so the rest of the time we'll go from there. So that being said, thanks for watching, and that will be all. We can go from there. Alright, see you guys.